Hello everyone, it's Mike Armstrong here, aka the Welsh Dragon, and this is my first episode of teaching plebs how to drive. Most vehicles come with these things called indicators. They're usually located on the outside of the vehicle, at the front and the back. And to switch these new inventions on, there's usually a stalk on the steering column. It's like a big sticky out thing, and if you flip it up or down, it actually turns the indicators on. It tells people that you're going left or right. It's a great new invention, been around a while, but a lot of people don't seem to know where to find it and how to use it. You actually put the indicators on when you're turning your vehicle either to the left or to the right. This lets other traffic users, other road users know the direction in which you intend to go. And most people haven't been able to find their stalk yet, but I'm sure with this little bit of knowledge, hopefully they'll be able to find it and use it. This is me, Mike Armstrong, aka the Welsh Dragon, teaching plebs how to drive. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye.